You will be amazed by this 2004 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. With less than 250,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Silverado 2500 HD has the brains and brawn to deliver smart, dependable work performance in today's highly connected, ever-demanding environment. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: dual zone AC, locking limited slip differential, intermittent wipers, passenger vanity mirror, adjustable steering wheel, vinyl seats, automatic headlights, AM/FM stereo, AC, ABS. Take the high road. Get a truck that has all the power and technology you need and the comfort you deserve. Test drive the Silverado 2500 HD.